Did you know there is a huge crisis in the accounting world right now? And it's changing in a way that could actually help your business. Hi, I'm Brad. I've been running my own firm for years. And like I said, there's something huge happening in the accounting world right now. 75% of CPAs are about to retire. And nobody's studying accounting anymore to replace them. I mean, there's a few. And the big firms are snatching up all the experienced accountants they can find. Now, you might think this sounds terrible for small business, but I'm going to show you how this could possibly be the best thing that could happen to your small business finances. Let's talk about why we're experiencing this shortage, because understanding the problem will help you see the opportunity. First, becoming a CPA is incredibly demanding. We're talking 150 hours of education. That's 5 years of college. A brutal exam that takes most people 6 to 18 months to complete. A year of experience signed off by another CPA. Altogether, that equals significant costs in time, money, and effort. And here's the kicker. After all that investment, the starting salary for a CPA is only around $60,000. Think about that. You can make more money driving for a tech company. Now, the big accounting firms have been adapting to this by bringing in talent from overseas. Not to get into current politics, but in fact, it's accounting, not tech, that has historically been the biggest driver of H-1B visas in the United States. Mega firms like Ernst & Young and Deloitte have been doing this for years because they simply can't find enough CPAs domestically. Now, this shortage has created 3 very different scenarios for small businesses. Scenario 1 is the big firm experience. Very expensive, lower attention because their CPAs are spread thin, focus over volume over services, and very, very high prices. Scenario 2 is the boutique firm advantage, and that's mostly what this video is about. It's more personalized attention, direct experience to CPAs, some with experience in your niche, strategic advice tailored directly for your business, and less or similar fees to big firms, but with way more value. And now the third scenario is actually the most common. It's the bare minimum. It's dumpster fire accounting records, no tax strategy, only seeing a professional once a year at tax time, super low cost, but also no value for your business. And here's what's fascinating. Some businesses try to solve this problem by trying to find their own in-house accountant. With the shortage, that's incredibly difficult. And plus, for most small businesses, that's really overkill. You're paying a full-time salary for part-time needs. So with these options, this crisis has created an interesting opportunity for businesses who know what's happening. Now, let me be completely honest with you. Working with a small boutique firm isn't perfect. Because you get so much attention and so many services, it can cost a lot more than you're expecting. And you won't have the same level of control that you'd have with an in-house team. Plus, boutique firms might not have all the services you want that a big firm might offer, such as audits. I personally don't do audits. They're awful. But here's why many businesses are making the switch anyway. Boutique firms are thriving by offering something different. Deep expertise in specific industries, proactive strategic advice, direct access to experienced CPAs, and customized solutions for your business. Yes, you will be paying more than the bare minimum. Absolutely. But think about what you'll be getting. 10 times more attention, strategic planning, not just compliance. Someone who actually knows your business because they're working with you regularly, and proactive tax planning and advice so you don't pay too much. And here's the thing, even at higher rates, working with a boutique firm is way more cost effective than trying to hire or employ an in-house team in this market. Every accountant on the block has their own take on how to solve this problem. So I can tell you the crisis is going away soon. But now you know how to turn it into an advantage for your business. Look for those small boutique firms who can really offer you the best services. Want to learn more about how to work with financial professionals? I got you. In my next video, I'll break down the basics of bookkeeping that a CPA could take off your plate. This is essential stuff to know, so make sure you watch this 8-minute video next.